Hello everybody, it's me, Code Tracker Looter, signing in for another episode of the Python series. Yes, we're gonna make this Python course, hopefully, uh, many days of the week. I hope 3 to 4 days of the week. So we got ourselves into the first 5 exercises of the chapter 5 of the book of Python. And now we're going to see passing arguments to functions. So here it says, an argument is any piece of data that is passed into a function when the function is called. A parameter is a variable that receives an argument that is passed into a function. Sometimes it is useful not only to call a function, but also to send one or more pieces of data into the function. Pieces of data are sent into a function are known as arguments. The function can use its arguments in calculations or other operations. Okay, so with that being said, let's jump into the exercise number 6 of the chapter. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. So this is the exercise number 6. This program demonstrates an argument being passed to a function. Main value equals 5. Show double value. The show double function accepts an argument. Yeah, it's right. And displays double its value. Call the main function. We save and click play. As you can see here, the result is 10. So let's bring out the book over here. When this program runs, the main function is called in line 15. Inside the main function, line 5 creates a local variable named value, assigned the value 5. Then the following statement is in line 6, calls the show double function. Notice value appears inside the parenthesis. This means that the value is being passed as an argument to the show double function, as shown in figure 5.13. When this statement executes, the show double function will be called, and the number parameter will be assigned the same value as the value variable. This is shown in figure 5.14. Okay. Right. Okay. Alright guys, now we jump right into the program 5.7, okay? This program converts cups to fluid ounces. Display the intro screen. Intro. Get the number of cups. Cups needed. Call integer. enter the number of cups. Cups 2 ounces. The enter function displays an introductory screen. Print. This program converts measurements. Print in cups to fluid ounces for your reference formula is fluid ounces. The cups 2 ounces function accepts a number of cups and displays the equivalent number of ounces. Sorry about that. Print that converts to ounces. And now we just call the main function. Call the main function. All right, let's see. We click play. Oh, sorry, what? Line 28. Yes. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-huh. I'm not follow. Okay. Last. Okay. Line 28. What happened with line 28 is main. So what happened to main? Nothing that I can see. Let me see what's going on over here. Alright, I know what happened here. Okay. I forgot to put input here in the caps needed. But if we go over here, for example, and we run this, we do enter the number of cups and we say 5 cups, and that's 40 ounces. Pretty cool, isn't it? Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, let's jump into the book and see what. Oh, okay. So now we jump right into the 8th exercise. Okay. Multiple arguments of pi. This program demonstrates a function that accepts 2 arguments. So main print the sum of 12 and 45 is show sum. The show sum function accepts 2 arguments and displays their sum. Sorry, def show sum num1, num2, result num plus num2, print result. Call the main function main. We save and run. Another line 7. Okay. Let's see again what's going on over here. All right, I think my code was I was coding everything inside the main function, I guess. So that's why I didn't call anything. But that it, I guess, that it. Because I got that the sum of 12 and 45 is 57, and that is the program output in the book. So we are good. We are good. Okay. Now we go for program number 9. Everybody go to program 5, 9, pi, which is called string args.py. This program demonstrates passing 2 string arguments to a function. Everybody go to main function. First name input. Enter your first name. Last name. input, enter your last name, print your name reversed is correct. All right, this must be good, right? At first, let's clear the console. Let's call the project. Enter your first name. How about Robert De Niro? De Niro Robert. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, that's my real name, by the way, Robert De Niro. Cool, huh? Cool that you can manipulate everything inside a function. Would you look at that, guys? It is the last program of the video for now, huh? We already reached program number 10, which is called change me.py, which is oddly specific, I guess. And it's just 16 lines in the entirety of the how you call it, code. This program demonstrates what happens when you change the value of a parameter. Definition main value equals 99, print sorry, too many. The value is value change me value, print back in main the value is value change me, that arg, print I am changing the value arg0 is arg call the main function main. All right, so now we go over here, we save the project, we run the Python file, and the value is 99. I'm changing the value. Now the value is 0. Back in main, the value is 99. Let's see. The main function creates a local variable named value in line number 5. Assign the value 99. The statement in line 6 displays the value is 99. The value variable is then passed as an argument to the change me function in line 7. This means that in the change me function, the argument parameter will also reference the value 99. This is shown in figure 517, okay? Change me, print back in manual. Okay, all right. Inside the change me function in line 12, the argument parameter is assigned the value 0. This reassignment changes argument, but it does not affect the value variable in main. As shown in figure 518, the two variables now reference different values in memory. The statement in line 13 displays now the value is 0 and the function ends. Control of the program that then returns to the main function. The next statement to execute is in line 8. This statement displays back in main the value is 99. This proves that even though the parameter variable arg was changed in the change me function, the argument was not modified. Okay. Okay. All right. And with that, guys, we finished 5 other exercises from this chapter. I don't know how many exercises are in this chapter, so you guys have to bear with the, you guys can also read the book online. But we're, in this course, we're going as we go, okay? I said 5 exercises maximum in every episode. And here we are. Okay? All right. And with that being said, guys, we're going to see keyword arguments. We're going to see all of that in the next episode. So thank you very much, guys. See you guys next time, okay? Bye-bye.